Hi, how are you today? If you are trying to find suppliers from China, you must know this website. It's the biggest and most popular B2B website in the world. The name is Alibaba. The address is alibaba.com, and when you enter this website, you can change the languages, the currency, and you may also need to register here. You can register by Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. You may also choose to search the website without registering, but once you register, you can save your favorite goods and suppliers. So next time you can find them easily. So now let me show you how to sort suppliers. You can sort by manufacturers, suppliers, and regional suppliers. Manufacturers, that means all the results were shown manufacturers only. And suppliers means there could be trading companies. And regional suppliers, you can pick suppliers from the countries that you want. So let me make a demo for you. We are looking for this product, and you can see there are a lot of suppliers listed on this page. You can scroll down to look at them first, and you can see the company introduction and the overview of this company. You can see their capacities here, verified. You can also pick the suppliers by checking their reviews. You can see their scores, reviews, and the year they are on Alibaba. And see, this company is on Alibaba for 9 years. And the staff they have is 20, and the coverage of this company is 1,100 square meters, and their turnover here. Turnover is 530,000 US dollar per year. By looking at these important figures, you will have an essential understanding about the companies that on the page. We can also look at their capabilities summaries here, just under their company names. Each suppliers or manufacturers may have different capabilities, but it's very hard to judge them by these figures. So what I suggest is you can read their reviews, that's from the customers, and try to compare as much suppliers as you can to choose the best suppliers. Once you find the best supplier or manufacturers, you can simply click the company names to go onto their page and look at their company introductions, videos, and products, as well as many other information. Just like this one, you can see their company videos, factory overview, and research and development, quality, inspections, and their main products, company profiles, reviews from customers, and you can also contact them by clicking the button. By clicking the Chat Now button, you can talk to the suppliers and ask them questions you have. And send inquiry means you can send all the queries you have to the suppliers, and by doing so, your inquiries will also be sent to at least other 10 suppliers, and you will also get reply from 10 suppliers.